New video, Daltman gets wheels.
Cool, man.
Yeah. Bro, chill, man.
Okay,
You gotta back up. I got so excited. It smells so bad.
But it's so fast.
It's slow, bro. Yeah.
No. A little more back.
Right there. Yeah. It's fine though.
Oh, that's why. I thought I had lots of space to go.
Do we go up on both blocks?
Oh, fuck's sake. Cam over this car.
God damn it, man.
We need the eliminator.
That's what I'm saying, man.
Where's the other jack?
You're
driving up.
You want to tell people what you're talking about? Yeah, Daltman's buying Ben's wheels. Neat.
Oh, it's already on. That was quick.
Fucking NASCAR spec, bro.
Wait, the wheels on?
Doesn't the launch have to go in the back?
Well, whatever you want.
What's more aggressive? That should go in the back.
The Mark 2 or Mark 3s are a little bit more aggressive.
Okay. What do you like in them?
Yeah, it looks cool.
Wait, should we line up this wood a bit better?
Yeah, why did that get so cocked?
Cool, man.
What do you say?
Is that high enough?
Faster. Faster.
Yeah, we're in last place now. Thanks.
Fuck you, man.
Are those 15?
They're 16.
That looks cool, man.
That looks cool.
Yeah, run it. Fuck it. Those are the ones.
Hey, pass it in this one.
Do like that T-tone.
Oh, that looks really nice.
I like that.
I mean, I'm biased, but I'd go once.
That's like 1/3 engagement. Fire.
It's a little too hot, my friend.
Wait, the car's not even in the area.
Hang on, bro.
Down below.
It does.
Should Dalton go watts?
The Coke's like a good amount.
Or long chance? And Mark 3s.
Should you pull out on flat?
Yeah. Alright, Dalton.
Comment down below
Pull backwards.
what you should do. Even though he's already made up
Or the
his mind
lugs,
by the
like-
time you're watching this.
Lug tight like 2 feet.
Being a car TikToker. Chupapi mon fucking mignon. What is happening?
Is it that side that's rubbing?
I think the long champ's rubbish.
I'll do the watts. The watts look cooler.
Cool, man.
Cool. I pull it up. Put on the bobbies.
Why are these fucking...
Oh, you look at me.
Why are they dirty, man?
You look so bobby.
Where'd you get them from? Oh,
You look like you do cocaine.
I do cocaine. I don't do my own product, man.
Noah, how fucking cocaine dealer have?
That's the
Ah,
first
cool, man.
Oh, I can just look at my purchases. Fucking
For what? What was that hat?
Look at my Oro and I think you're getting.
Yeah, cool.
coming up.
You're playing a Seto with a controller?
Nah.
No, he's playing
It's Car X Drift.
With a controller?
Yeah.
That's so
Man, I'm
mids.
dirty at it.
You and Ben.
I'm so good at it.
How is Car X?
It's
It's
sick.
fun.
I want to try it instead of a Seto.
Up and down after?
Yeah. Did we even explain that I'm selling these to Dalton?
No, you didn't.
Okay, I'm selling my watts to Dalton. But basically I bought these watts, waited forever for them, then decided not to run them. But for a good reason that you guys can't figure out yet. Yeah.
Yeah, Dalton, go park like right there so we can show your car. There you go.
Looks crazy, man.
No, you want to do skin?